Whoa, this is too close. Let's back up. Much better. This is a medium shot. But do you know about the other frame sizes? Let's talk about frame sizes, starting with our widest shots all the way to our tightest shots. Your wide shot establishes a location in your scene and gives the viewer a sense of that space. If you have a character or a person in that wide shot, usually you would see the full body. And now onto the medium wide shot, where we are taking our focus off the background and establishing the spatial boundaries, and onto the character, where we will see them from the thigh up. Now onto the medium shot. You're getting closer to the character, things are getting more personable, more intimate. Medium shots are usually from the waist up, which is this shot. Next is your medium close-up, which is shot from the chest up. This shot is great for intimate moments because we can really see how the character's reacting and how they're thinking. And now we are definitely getting more intimate with the close-up. This shot really tells the audience what the character is feeling in that moment. The extreme close-up is your tightest shot, which focuses on any small detail that you want to highlight. Now you understand your wide shot, your medium wide, your medium close, your close, and your extreme close-up shots. Comment down below what you would like to learn about next, and I hope this was a good tip for you.